A mixture P is formed by removing a certain amount of coffee from a coffee jar and replacing the same amount with cocoa powder. The same amount is again removed from the mixture P and replaced with same amount of cocoa powder to form a new mixture Q. If the ratio of coffee and cocoa in the new mixture Q is 16:9. So then the ratio of cocoa in the mixture P to that of the cocoa in the mixture Q is question. See, let us take that initially I have 8 grams. So some amount of coffee powder is removed and the same amount of cocoa powder is added to obtain a mixture P. But the total quantity of the mixture remains the same, right? Again, I am going to repeat the same process, remove some mixture and add some cocoa powder to obtain the mixture Q. But the total amount remains same, okay, which is given by 16:9. So let us take that initially I have X grams. So some amount is being replaced. So some amount of coffee powder has been removed and cocoa is added. So I'm going to take the amount which has been amount which has been removed from the coffee powder as Y. So I'm ending up with the remaining value, and this continued one more time. So this will be the final amount of cocoa in the new mixture. So I'm going to take coffee divided by total mixture will be equal to x into 1 minus y by x the whole square divided by x. So x getting cancelled. So what I end up with 1 minus y by x the whole square is equal to coffee divided by total. So which is 1 minus y by x the whole square equal to 16 by 25. So 1 minus y by x is equal to 4 by 5, or y by x will be equal to 1 by 5. So out of 5 parts, 1 part is being replaced. So a percentage value of 20% is replaced every time. So let us suppose take the total initial quantity as 100 grams. Now 20% of this is replaced with cocoa. So I have 80 coffee and 20 cocoa here. So this is mixture P. And again 20% of mixture is removed and cocoa is added. So 20%, 16 gets reduced. So this gives me 64 and this gives me 36. Okay, and this is Q. And what has been questioned here? If the ratio of coffee and cocoa in the final mixture is 16:9, then the ratio of cocoa and mixture P is 20 to that of the mixture Q. Mixture Q is 36. So 20:36 is question here. Simplifying 5:9 will be your answer. So option B is the answer for this question.